Hey guys, and today we're gonna. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. And if you guys are new, my name is Ariana, and we're playing with this my cotton candy slime. Well, it isn't cotton candy slime. I just put it in this cotton candy jar because like I didn't have anywhere to support it on this trip we went to. But look at this, it didn't pop, but I don't want it. Okay, yeah, it isn't working, so I shut it down really good. And then we're gonna use this slime putty thingy, whatever. But it's really goopy and it stretches very well. This one stretches more, and we're just gonna playing with that. It's super sticky, but we did give a giveaway. The giveaway was a new pack of a new sense of big slime, and here the slime is that we were gonna give away, but then I was like, you guys need to see if you guys like it or not, and guys, subscribe to me. Even if you're not, if you're new and you did it, just like subscribe. Subscribe, hit the like button. If you want to subscribe, you could subscribe. We aren't mean. So I am not mean. If you didn't subscribe, I'm not gonna say you do it and say just leave our channel. No, I'm just gonna say do your best. Try to see where it is and try to get it. And if you're from Branchbrook, I'm from Branchbrook too, and I have a friend from Branchbrook that I want to watch, and I watched their videos today, and I said hi to them and their brother is, and my brother's hi. Her name is Jarvis Janellis. Well, Janellis, but Janellis we call her. It's a super good slime. Mommy, did you get your shrimp?
Yeah, you want?
No, Grandma asked.
No, it's downstairs. I'll go get it.
So it's a super bubbly slime because I made it with clear, and I was like, why is it not bubbling? I had the slime for a very long time, and it's still not bubbling, and it makes very good bubbles. But I gave some of it away, so it's not really that big to make the giant bubbles that I was gonna make before. I really wanted to make the giant bubble. And this slime is super cookie, so it's my favorite slime. And this one doesn't do anything but touches. So look, ready? Oh wait, no plugs and only stretchy. Mommy, what's this slime called again? Elastic. Well, it's elastic because elastic stretches a lot, but we'll be moving on to that after we're done talking about this. And saying goodbye to base because then go see a shout out. Who's gonna get that? And their name is Jarlee. And who we're talking about is here is the girl who's gonna get the slime. And she goes to our school. She goes to Branchbrook, so I see her. I love her. And her name is Jarlee, Joford, and Janellis. Yeah. And there's another one, because there's 4 of them. But I still need some help with their names. And that's who we're giving away the slime to. We're giving it to Jarlee. This is a really cool, like slime, very clicky slime. Super clear, so clear and super clicky. So I want to see what Jarlise. Does with this. Jarlise, I know you have that unicorn onesie, but like I saw your unicorn onesie, right? And I saw it at a store, and I wanted to get it so bad, and then I bought the panda. I bought a panda onesie. You guys aren't gonna see my face. I go like this stuff. My panda onesie.
Fall down. Fall down.
Have the panda face on it. Panda face. Okay? Panda face. There's a very shirty line, and sometimes you can get yelled out when you're doing videos. And that's what I just got. It's from this now.
Hey, Jay.
Homework?
Jay.
Coming.
And, hold on. There's a bunch of stuff there.
Yeah, it's super. Don't put pencils in slime. You know pencils can ruin slime. Because they're already slime. But look
Down
at
and
me.
eat your food. Eat the rice, eat everything. You want ketchup?
Yeah.
Look, you see how I hate how you put your sleeve in your food. That's disgusting. You're eating the germs. What you want the ketchup on the side?
Yeah.
Okay, be careful before you put all the food on the floor. Everything neat. Give you a little bit of everything. You got shrimp, chicken, fries, and rice.
Shrimp. I don't know what's shrimp. And Jarlise will be getting half of this. How? Wait, are the backgrounds? Wait, you have her on Musically?
I like. Mommy, can I say hi?
Mm-hmm. Tell her I said hi and tell her I made a video, so watch it.
I'm gonna post it on YouTube.
I know, but tell her I made a video and when I post it, could you watch it first?
Or she said, hey girl.
Tell her say hey. Jarlise is classy. So this time is like favorite slime. Favorite slime. It's my favorite slime. You can cook it bouncy. It's a really cookie and bouncy slime. But if you want, if you're watching this, and Jarlise, if you're watching this, tell your
That's Mosi.
Mosi! I'll go get it. Mommy, I'll go get it.
I don't know if it's mostly.
I'm gonna go cut the window.
No? Let me see.
Sorry about that. Someone was here and they wanted to sell us cable. But if you're Jarlise's sister, like Jofer, Jarlise's brother, and what's the other one's name?
Jenny.
No,
John. Joffrey.
the other brother,
Jacob.
Jacob. So if you're Janelle, and Jarlise, and Jacob, and Jofer, I think those are their names. Yeah, they're their names. You're gonna be watching this, and I'm gonna be selling this one to you guys. And they are my best friends. Well, mostly Janalis is my best friend, and Jarlise because and their mom is my best friend because I see them all the time, and I give her a hug. if you're watching this and you're Darlene, what's your mom's name? Because I want to know her name. And Janelle says, tell me some weird things about your mom. And I don't know if that's
Harry,
true.
look.
But
Look what she did.
wait, was that now?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's so cute.
So loud. Oh, please, Mom.
Wait, you guys have the same filter. Yeah, we're just watching some musicals that Jordan put in together, so I'm really happy to see them.
Oh, that's so weird.
I want to see more from musicals.
This is not musicals.
I'm so excited to see Jarvis and my brother relate and
And what are you saying?
relate and communicate and make them
The
communicate.
same.
Filter. And
Abby, can you stop talking about that?
so
Mind your
Jarvis,
business. Mind your funky business.
Manya,
Mind your funky business.
Manya.
So leave me
I'm
alone.
not asking, just leave me alone. Listen to these clips. If you want to listen to it, you're going to be so surprised. I want you guys to be surprised. But I also want to click it so you guys are going to get the hair right. Ready? If you guys cannot hear it, just turn the volume up on your iPad or your phone. Your iPad or your phone or your laptop or your TV. Whatever you have watching me, just have it be clicking. And so, I'm going to show you guys the colors like a rose gold. Kind of, not rose gold, like a peachy blue. Like a blue. If you're watching this and you feel like a bummer that you don't get this slime, well, too bad. That's good. That's not good because I got this one too. So, well, I'm not going to follow it because this is Jason's slime, so I cannot sell it.
What? Wait.
Wait, did Jarvis just do that? So I'm watching the music. And if you guys know who they are, that's my brother Jason. And if you know who Jarvis is, and you have her music, please send her music name to me so we can see more of her music. I like her stuff that she does. But send me, Jordan, you have to make more videos because like I've been watching you and like them and like my brothers. So like I want to see. Well, Jordan, are you still giving away slime? Because I need more slime. If I give this one away, but you aren't gonna have like the whole bag. This is a lot of slime for me. But if you don't know if this is a lot of slime, it's a lot. But I made this smiley face for my cousin, and I didn't get to give the smiley face. So I'm going to give you this in a container. Oh, I just forgot about this pink purple slime. I put some this one in here so it makes it purple. Because I had purple glue, I have blue glue. Then I put some this slime in here and made it really hard and rough. And Charlie, is this a glue? It's okay. It's gonna come off. Don't worry. It will come off. Don't worry. Yeah. Some of the Charlie's biscuits. You know, I Actually, I'll give you a Ziploc if you're fine with the Ziploc. Because, like, you're fine with the Ziploc, right? Say yes? Okay, so Girly, this is the bag we're putting slime in for you. And I will see you tomorrow. The shout out, you already know who the shout out is for it. I know we were gonna talk about this, but then I was like, if I talk about it, you guys are gonna want it. And so I don't think I want to give away this much. So we're just gonna give away this much. That's such a little bit. Hold on. I don't want to give you that much. Jellies, no, that's not fair, right? No, not fair, not fair. Hold on. Oh. Oh, I could give you this one if you want. Charlie, do you want this one? And I'll give you two. One for your sister and one for you. Charlie, if this has it on it, it's okay. It's just a smell, right? So this is your sister's. I'm gonna put the A on your sister's, and I'm gonna put a J on here. Okay,
Look at my food, bro. Look at my food.
He's sending that to Jellies. Jay, that's a J, right? Jay, that's a J, right? Wait, Jelly still put the J, right?
Wait, I'm gonna put it in my book bag so I can give it to you.
Here.
Wait, where's it? Okay, never mind. This one.
Put a heart.
Put that.
Then that. JM, give this to her sister. Just said I gave it to her sister. When got no keys. Meow meow. Where's the case?
Look, you want to see her case?
Of her phone?
Yeah.
I love it. If your name is Julie, be subscribed. Like if you want to subscribe, watch all my videos. Be subscribed. Gee, tell Charlie watch my video. Hold on, I want to tell Charlie lifting. Gee, what's that on?
Like,
Light?
you don't have that.
Can I get it? I want it, Jay. If I can, I'm gonna tell Charlie, can I have her light thing? Charlie, can I have your light thing? Thing. Gee, how did you get Charlie's light thing? How did you get that, Jay?
I've been have this like that since February.
How? how did Jarlis give you your likes?
Unless he was watching my stream. I heard him.
So Jarlis, if you can give me the like thing, it's okay. But I'll see you later. Okay, bye. Oh wait, and the shout out goes to Jarlis and yeah.
Joker.
No, just Jarlis. Jarlis and Janelle, because they are getting the shout out prize. And I know I said all of you guys might get one. Yeah, so I said all of you guys might get one in my head, and I was like, man, no, I don't have enough things. But I was gonna give away some of these pens, markers, but then I was like, all these are crushed. I cannot give these to you. But they're such nice colors. I was like, I could give this one to Jarlis, no, to Jasmine, my cousin. Janellis, tell Cookie, I was going to say Cookie, because that's what we call you. But Jarlis, tell Jarlis about Jasmine Ram Shram. Tell her about that, right? And we're good for the poo-poo colors, and I'll give you guys these colors. You guys, these colors. Oh, I'm gonna give you guys blue and purple. Blue and purple. But guys, for example, this is how they look. But we're gonna be drawing on something that we can draw on. Like this plastic bag. Okay. It's still dry. You have to press down hard. Let's see if this will work. So it looks way better on paper, but these are how the colors are. So Jarlis, which one do you want? And if you guys choose the same colors, you guys can borrow these. But yeah, and I'm gonna give you guys some more colors. And let's we aren't gonna end the vlog. I'll just doing shout out so we can all know who is this channel. So we're just I'm gonna give out these colors to you guys, it's the best friends ever. Well, I'll give you guys like all the pretty stuff in here, and I'm gonna give you guys a pencil. Let's mark pens. If you guys want the friendly. Thinking of my pen. That's what we do in school. Thinking of my no, my germs. Thinking up my nose. I'm Jeffy. I'm Jeffy. I'm Jeffy. Wait, look, I'm Jeffy. I'm Jeffy. That's Jeffy. If you guys don't know who Jeffy is, you just guys go watch him. Of course, Jeffy. She always sounds like Jeffy. And Jarlis, tell Janelle stop doing this. Like one day she wants to be my friend, and the next day she doesn't, and then she wants to be my friend. So like, tell her don't do that, please. And tell me your mom name, Jarlis. Like, what's your mom's name? And Jarlis, I know I said this, but Janelle's just saying some weird things about your mom. And I'm like, is that true? I have to tell Jarlis on this on YouTube. So like and subscribe, Jarlis, and hit that thumbs up. If you don't like the video, just don't watch it. If tell Jarlis that I have an LOL opening up season 3. Jarlis, no. Tell Janellis I have and Jarlis, Janellis and Jarlis. Tell each other.
Literacy.
So tell Janellis.
Ari, you don't know what we do at school, so.
What? What happened?
Hold on.
I'm not talking about you. I'm talking So if you guys want to see all these colors, so I think, hold on, let's see what this one is. Well, these purples are like the same. No, this purple doesn't work. No purple. And I know Janelle's favorite color is purple. She tells me like 100 days. Like Charlie.
Mommy! I was moved. Oh my God,
These are the colors. And I am giving it a black one to Darlene because they might be wanting. But first,
How you look?
Can I see the next? What's your next background?
Me.
Oh, it's you? Should put girlies too. This one. I know you guys are proud of me. Ones were used already. Ones are tested. Good one. Last one. And good one. I think these are washable. They have to be washable. Okay. These are the colors, and you can see there's two pinkies next to each other. So one pink is here. I'll make a black line. So where the black lines are, if you guys can see, pink, and here's the light pink. Here is the light pink right here. Here's the dark pink, really kind of darky. And then here's purple. Here's that color. Here's the blue, and then last but not least, black. So we have
I mean, I'm gonna be playing music, okay?
1, 2,
I
3,
play
4,
music when I do
5,
homework.
6,
Ari,
6 colors.
I play music when I do homework.
Okay, guys. So I'll see you guys later, and I'm not gonna do a shout out because I already did a shout out.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did. Go Darlene. I'm giving them.
I thought you said shower.
Shout out.
I thought you said shower.
Because I already said a shout out. So I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow.